Hey everyone, Av here again, and I wanted to talk to you about how interactive flat panels and new technology is going to go ahead and transform home offices and huddle spaces. So here's some of the trends that I'm actually seeing. What's interesting is all of us have invested heavily on things like home theaters. So, we love to hook up audio equipment and video equipment and enjoy great movie experiences. Now, it could be you only spent a few $100s or you spent tens of thousands of dollars, especially during COVID. I keep hearing about how home renovations and home theaters have taken off. But what's interesting with this trend is very few of us have actually invested into the home office. So I don't know if your office looks as messy as this, hopefully not, but the reality is most of us have offices that really haven't changed in years. And I think there's an opportunity for these offices to transform and become the home boardroom. So what's the home boardroom? The home boardroom is where you as a sales executive, sales professional, whether you're a team leader, can actually engage with your customers, engage with your channel partners, engage with your team members as if they're inside your space. I want you to have the same energy where you're presenting in front of a boardroom. I want that to be a natural extension of the space from the office that enters your home. And it doesn't matter whether it's your home or a small huddle space, we really have to figure out how to go ahead and engage people in the new hybrid environment. There's going to be people at home, people at work, in person, and people that are completely remote. I want to take a few seconds to show you my setup here. So what I have, let me connect my phone. And what I have here is my home boardroom setup. I'm going to turn the camera on. You're seeing me interact with me on my interactive flat panel. But at the same time, I actually have an audience monitor where Chanel is actually joining me on a team session. And we have a camera here so that it can see me present and not up here so you see the top of my head. So this actually creates an environment where you can see me present in my environment. Now, more importantly, in our huddle space here, I actually have some in-person participants, and I'm going to bring an additional camera. So now watch this. So I've got Adam joining in on an in-person call. So all of us, whether it be the virtual remote participant, the in-person participant, can interact, and I can actually engage, have discussions, and have conversations, and make all of us feel as if we're connected and in a face-to-face meeting. So to me, you can also invest into home offices and make them into home boardrooms, and you'll get a lot of advantages as these home offices transform for the new normal.